In a vibrant rainforest, a tiny seed whispered to a curious bird, "I hold the future." The bird, intrigued, asked, "How so?" The seed replied, "I grow into a tree, sheltering countless lives. As the tree grew, it provided homes for insects, shade for animals, and fruits for all." A wise old monkey observed, "Every life here is a thread in nature's tapestry." Suddenly, a storm threatened the forest. The tree stood firm, protecting its inhabitants. "Together we thrive," the monkey declared. The forest flourished, a testament to unity. Hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment to support us.